Good day everyone and welcome back to Mommy Guide Inc. Today's video is a recap of what transpired earlier on for day 1 of the Manila International Book Fair.
Yung excitement ko, yung passion ko, yun yung sinishare ko sa channel ko. So, kasama po dun sa kit nyo yung aking maliit na palang card yan. That's Mommy Guide Inc. Yan po ako sa YouTube. So, if you can follow me as well on all the socials, maraming salamat po. Alright, so yung pong gagamitin natin ngayon, you can see you have 3 kits. Okay, ito pong malaki. Okay, and then meron po kayong parang ganito na maliit. Okay, at yung isa pang mas maliit pa. So, 3 packs po yan. Alright, so these are your make and takes and yun na po yan. Pero tuturuan ko paano nyo ito i-assemble. Okay?
Previous scene showcased me presenting the 3 different kits to the participants, and basically these were the projects that we created. For today's make and take, we created mini gift tags, a mini gift holder or a treat holder, and a mini gift bag that is super duper cute.
And then ito pong new Java is one of my favorites kasi pastel. Yung pong paper ngayon, pwede nyong gamitin. Okay. So, ang pwede nyo pong gawin, okay? So, for this part, i-demo ko lang and then later, I will give you the time to actually use this. So, I have 3 here. May malaki, may maliit. Okay, so 3 yan na pwede nyong gamitin. So, ipapass around to para matest ko nyo. Paano mo ngayon ito i-assemble? Okay, so simple lang po. Yung dalawang gilid, sa maliit na side, lalagyan mo lang mo yan ng glue. Hindi kailangan dulo-dulo. Gaganyanin mo lang po.
In this scene, I was actually showing the participants how to create this DIY mini gift holder. The supplies, of course, included the paper that was provided for by Prestige Paper, glue, a scoring board, and some small treats like nail files, tea bags, and chocolate sticks. See, look at that. Such a great and nice gift holder for such items.
Ganyan na siya, right? So, pare-pareho na ba tayo nag-itsura? Again, hindi kailangan gayahin mo. Make it your own. I gave you all different kinds of paper.
Now for our final project of the day, a mini gift bag. This versatile little bag is perfect for so many occasions, from birthdays to holidays and everything in between. With just a few folds and a bit of glue, you can create a stylish mini gift bag. We're using paper from Prestige Paper products, which comes in so many designs, making it easy to match any theme or occasion. This mini gift bag is not only practical but also a great way to show someone you care. It's perfect for small treats, jewelry, or even gift cards. Thank you for joining us on this crafting journey. We hope you enjoyed these fun DIY projects brought to you by yours truly, Mommy Guide Inc., Prestige Paper Products, and National Bookstore. Don't forget to visit their booth at the Manila International Book Fair for more creative workshops throughout the event. Happy crafting!